Hi everyone, Sarah here. I am here to share with you some diamond paintings that I purchased. I've been watching more YouTube videos of people's diamond paintings, and I just got the urge to purchase some new ones. Not like I need any more, but you know, I just wanted to. So these are purchased from FGNormal. I bought them myself. I ordered on October 27th. They shipped on October 28th, and I received them, I think it was Saturday. I received them the next Friday. It was November 4th. So I received them in a week, which is super awesome. I believe they have a warehouse probably in Toronto now. I didn't check the shipping label, but I think they have a warehouse in Canada now, which makes it a lot easier. Super fast to get. They were having a buy 3 get 1 free, or no, buy 2 get 1 free, because I got 6 total, but then I just kind of kept going until I got free shipping also, because their shipping is in pounds. It's $9.99, I believe, so, which is I don't know what that equates to, I can't remember, but I think it's almost double to Canadian. Anyways, this was kind of spurred from watching one of Mindy's Diamond Painting Moments videos. You'll see later on in the video why, but these are some of the larger ones here that I picked. This one here is some goldfish or koi fish in a lily pond. I hope we don't have too much of a glare here. This is a big one. It is a 50 by 60. It does have 28 colors. There's DMC codes, and this one is a square. This is the only square that I purchased, and I don't know if I even realized it was square. I just picked it because I love koi fish. They're just so pretty, and this giant lily pad with the lilies there. I think that this one's going to be really, really nice. So that's it there. The drills on this one, they have the canvas code on a handwritten sticker here to match, and they're all in separate baggies, but then there's also the strips in there too, so it's kind of a mix between the two. I don't want to open this up right now, but I'm sure they're all in there, but we will all go through and figure that all out. But so that's the first one over here. Huge. That was the biggest. This is the next biggest one, and this one is an 80 by 40, and again, I don't have a measuring tape here, but these are about 5 centimeters shorter because that's the outside measurement. This one here is cherry blossom tree over the water with the moon, which is so pretty, and I think I'm gonna put some special drills in here in the moon. You can see the clouds coming over, and the cherry blossoms are falling into the water. So pretty. The trees up here, it's pretty dark to see in person, but I'm sure once the drills are on there, it's gonna be really pretty. So this one has 24 colors, all DMC codes. This one is a round, and this one is in the strip packaging there. Again, all really dark, deep colors, but we've got some bright pinks and some turquoise. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Oh, I guess you want prices. Would you like prices? The goldfish was $17.62. That's Canadian for the 50 by 60 square. This peach blossom under moon 80 by 40 is $12.25. So I thought that was pretty good. All right, and the next ones are Mindy's fault. If you don't know Mindy Dimple, I will link her down below for you guys. She just recently did a stash video, but her stash video is specific to gnome paintings. Her giant stash of gnome paintings, and I want to say like it was 45 minutes long of just gnomes. Just gnomes. So I saw some gnomes that I'd not seen before. And I just could not live without owning these gnomes. They were just too adorable. This first one, I wanted one that was bee themed because she did have a couple, and I think she actually had this one in regular drill and special drill, I think. Or there was one similar to it that was bees. It was regular and special. So on FGNormal, this was the bee one that I found. There may be more. There's like pages of gnome paintings, so you could sit there for hours, but this was one that I picked out. It says, "Welcome to our hive," and I would say that that's going to be super clear and easy to read because it's all one color, and we've got like the lighter background of the wood grain, the checker border, and then we have a pickup truck with bees all around. There's bees everywhere. There's a banner with bees on it, which those might be a bit small, but... And then we have the girl and boy gnome, and the boy gnome has bee antennas. These little honey sticks. I cannot wait to do that. I think it's going to be super cute. And this was the drills for this one. Again, they're all kind of different. You've got all three options here. This is all the little baggies, and you can see all the oranges and yellows and blacks. It's going to be awesome. So those are our bee gnomes. Welcome to the hive. This one is 40 by 50, and the bees were $12.25. I kind of liked that they were 40 by 50 because I feel that the bigger painting, you're going to get a better image, clearer picture. Oh, and we are back to static in my house because of cold air. Winter static. Alright, this one, I believe it's this, yeah, NH849. So this one is the Let It Snow. Flip those guys over so it doesn't ruin it for you. Really cute. It says Let It Snow up here, but it also says Let It Snow down here. And we have three snowmen with, sorry, three gnomes, a little snowman, and a little pot of snowballs. And then the trees that are snow covered in the background with the moon up here. I think that this one is going to be so cute. I love all the blue colors. It has 24 different colors there. There's DMC codes. That's going to be so cute. And again, this one came in strip packaging. You see all the blues and turquoises. There is a light lavender in there. So that one is, this one's a little bit smaller, 35 by 50. And Let It Snow, this one was only $9.18. So I thought that would be cute. And the last two are my favorites. Let's go with this one first because this is so Christmas. He is so stinking adorable. These ones just have that different style, kind of vintage. Their beards have the curls in them. I don't know, just this style of gnome. They're so cute. He is a 40 by 50. And 23 colors. He has an adorable checkered hat on and the big wreath around him with his mittens sticking out. He's got legs and boots. He almost looks like Santa. And then these stars in the sky are going to be really pretty too. And you can tell he's kind of on ice because there's like a reflection of the Christmas lights. So pretty. This one, A495. These ones are in bags. And then they have tiny labels on them. with the canvas code, the DMC code, and the amount, or actually the size of the canvas, I believe. But there's his colors. He is going to be so cute. Christmas gnome was $12.25 for a 40 by 50. I think that that is so awesome. These are the regular prices. So on top of that, there was the buy two, get one free and free shipping. So altogether for 6 paintings, it was $65.09. So just over $10 each. I thought that's pretty good for the size of them. This one is the same type of gnome. Whoa. So cute. I am actually going to kit up these 2 gnomes right away because I cannot wait. I just want to work on them. So this one is more of a summer gnome, but he is still stinking adorable. We have the flowers, the strawberries, and he's standing on a snail. Too cute. Just cannot even. There's even a little ladybug. So adorable. 40 by 50, 24 colors, all DMC codes. And again, this one is also in baggies. But you can see the colors are going to be so nice. I cannot even wait. This one also was $12.25. So cute. So if you guys haven't seen these gnomes, when everyone started purchasing gnome paintings, I was like, yeah, gnomes, whatever. But now I'm a little bit addicted. But it's to just like the specific style. I do like these vintage ones a lot better. There are actually a couple more, but to me there's more detail in them, so that they would have to be bigger paintings to be able to see the detail in the paintings. So I will link everything down below for you guys. Check it out. And if you're in Canada, FGNormal is definitely the place if you want some reasonably priced diamond paintings, like just the quick ones or small ones, snack size to do, and to get them fast. It only took a week for them to be received after they were shipped. Yeah. All right. Hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.